Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some DIY at home polygel nails with a really pretty Instagram inspired gel polish design. Born Pretty was nice enough to send over some gel polishes for me to use, so I'll be showing you them in a second. Right now, I have a layer of gel polish on my nails just to protect them, and I'm going to be using the Macar Pump Up tips. I clip off the pointy edges so it fits my nail better. I glue, press it on, and you're going to see me do that to the rest of the nails. And now I'm just cutting them to the length that I like and cleaning the shape up with a hand file. They're already in a really pretty tapered square shape, so I just fix up the tip. So when you open it up, you get the instruction manual and you get the 6 gel polishes. Here's what the bottle looks like. I think it's so pretty. It's very sleek with the black and the gold, and I like that you have like the little peekaboo of the color. So I'm gonna swatch them all for you. Like I said, there's 6 of them. I thought it was a really nice array of colors, definitely very pastel and springy. So here they are. They're so pretty. I'm going to be using that green color. I'm using the Macar 333 color, and I'm going to be fully covering my nail in this color. So first I squeeze out a long bead of polygel. With the bottom of the bead, I bring it towards the cuticle, and then I start pulling at the edges and bringing it to the side walls. This is one of the easiest ways to cover your nail in polygel when you're using a tip. After I do that, I just spend some time smoothing it out, making sure it's perfect, and then curing it. I'm gonna do the same thing to my pinky. If you've been watching my videos for a while, some of this may seem repetitive. I just want to make sure I'm super detailed in everything that I'm doing for those that are new. So now I'm going to show you how I would do an ombre if I didn't have a certain color polygel. So first I'm just painting a layer of the green on the tip and curing it. And now we're going to do the ombre. So I'm squeezing out a very small bead. First thing I do is bring it from side to side and then down to the cuticle, trying to fit it there. And then going to the top of the bead, I'm going to drag that product up to where I want the fade to be. And once I have it there, I'm going to start using pressure and the tip of the brush to kind of feather and fade the nude to the green. Something I like to do to keep the color nice and vibrant is wipe away any nude polygel that may have gotten on it and then fix the fade a bit and then cure it. And whenever you do an ombre, you want to do a very thin layer of the ombre and then create your structure and cover it with clear so that later on when we file, we're not filing away our ombre. So I placed the bead in the middle of the nail. I pulled it from side to side and then I started pulling it up. Then when I'm done, I turn the nail around and I pull at the edge of that bead. I don't want to pull from the center because we want that thickness to keep our nails nice and strong. And lastly, the ring finger and the thumb are going to be fully covered in clear because they're going to be painted. So I did that quickly and I did my thumb off camera. Moving into the filing, I'm using a hand file to reshape the nail. I'm going along the side walls and the free edge just to clean it up and get our tapered square / coffin shape back. wiping the dust away. And now I'm going to be using a medium ceramic safety drill bit. What I like to do is first go around my cuticle to seal it in and make it nice and flush to the nail. Then I use up and down motions. This is just to debulk the nail. And then to smooth the nail from the up and down motions, I'll be using side to side motions. I did that to the rest of the nails off camera just to save some time, and now I am buffing up the nails. Sprayed my nails down just to clean them, and now it's time to get into the design. So we're going back to that gel polish to polish up the clear nails and then to do the design on the nude nails. I used clear on the nails that I was going to paint fully in green just because I didn't want to waste my nude polygel when it was going to get covered up. So this gel polish was really nice to use. It was very smooth. It wasn't too runny and it wasn't too thick, so it went on super effortlessly. You do need 2 coats like a usual gel polish, but after the second coat it was very opaque. And now it's time to get into the designs. I'm just going to be lining the sides of the nails and also bringing it in diagonally. And then you're going to see me go across the top of the nail to connect it at the top. This is a very popular nail art style on Instagram, so I had to do it. I haven't done it in a while and I figured it would be perfect. I'm not the best at hand-drawn art, but I noticed that this gel polish made it kind of easier for me because it was opaque and just a nice medium thick consistency. It was really easy to pull the product around and create the lines that I needed. Not to mention the colors are stunning. I do have a coupon code for these gel polishes. I put a link to the polishes in the description box, and you can use Victoria MA, which will be on the screen at checkout, so you can get 20% off your order, which was so generous of them to provide. The code expires towards the end of June, so if you're interested in these gel polishes and using that coupon code to save 20%, I would definitely make sure to order it before then. Here's what they're looking like now, and I'm just going to be using the green gems that are in this case and then some circular gems. I'll be linking all the products that I'm using down below. But I just put on some rhinestone gel and some top coat on. Now I'm just going to place the gems into the wet gel. Once that's all cured, I went ahead and top coated the rest of the nails, and they're just coming to life, looking so beautiful. Once I'm done, I'm going to cure, then cuticle oil them up and model them for you. I'm using my Cusio Revitalizing Pomegranate Oil, which it smells so good and it always makes my cuticles look so healthy, so I'm just rubbing it in. And here's the final result. I really love the way these turn out. They definitely give out the Instagram vibes that I was looking for. As far as the gel polishes, I really enjoyed using them. They were easy to use and the colors are beautiful. They felt very high quality. I would definitely recommend them if you are on the market for some. So make sure you go ahead and check out Born Pretty. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.